What is up, guys? Alex here, welcome back. And today, I'm going to be bringing you my reaction to Dashie's new Gettoe video, number 5. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into this.
Oh, what up? It's Dashie.
Shit looks impossible to open.
And welcome to Kids Toys. Christmas. Kids. Toys. Christmas. Kids Toys Unboxing Christmas Gettoe. Today we have water babies. Feels like a real baby. Special delivery baby. Fill baby with warm water. 25th anniversary edition. I wanted to do something for the baby girls out there and not just for the fellas.
Alright.
So without further ado, I know I'm excited and I can see it in y'all's eyes that y'all are too. Let's do it. Okay, let's get to the unboxing process. I hope y'all having a great day and have a great Christmas if you celebrate that. If not, have a great day that day anyway. That rhymed. Wow. Parents, if you get this for your baby girls, be sure to have tools handy.
Look at all that shit.
To free this little bit. Okay. We have now unboxed baby girl, Dashie. Here's what she comes with. 3 diapers.
A binky, or pacifier, whatever you like to call it.
A pacifier. And a bottle. Oh, and this for when you're feeding Dashie. You don't want to get... Now, I know you're probably supposed to give her milk or water or something like that, but fuck that. Everybody wants juice. So let's give you some juice. Go ahead and drink that all up. You drink it all up. Drink it all up. Disclaimer to any young people watching. Do not actually feed a real baby like juice. That's that good juice, because that's Welch's. That shit is 100. It is very important to burp your child. Now let's change her diaper. I feel like it's wet. The diaper stops. I don't know if it's supposed to be maybe the juice. Bonus toy, bonus time.
Yeah,
bonus
that
toy,
was...
It's bonus time.
No, that was too awkward. The fuck?
Oh,
Disco Robo.
Today's bonus toy is Disco Robo. Includes MP3 player and speakers. I dance to your beat.
Does it have batteries though?
Let's get right into it. So excited. Let's do this.
Oh, okay, it does. The fuck?
Well. Looks like this motherfucker takes 8 fucking batteries. Oh, look at that. 8 batteries, and you have to screw it in. Why do I feel like I'm the one getting screwed? Moment of truth.
So happy to see you.
You better be fucking happy to see me. You cost me 8 fucking batteries.
Oh shit. Okay, that's a good toy.
Dance to your shit! No? This motherfucker only wanna dance to me. This motherfucker only wanna dance to me.
For real?
I appreciate you for that, my boy. You know what? You kind of cool. Let me introduce you to one of my homies real quick. Come here. Maybe y'all could become best friends or something. Look, you feeling him? He a cool dude, I'm telling you. And he's also for sale. Link in the description. What? I didn't say. Thank you guys for watching. All right, now you're starting to piss me off because I'm trying to say my shit. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. The thumbs ups and the likes. This is the last Christmas episode. This is the last Christmas episode. But I don't know. Maybe I'll bring it back. But you know what I'm saying? Like, just doing like non-Christmas. I don't know, y'all. Leave some comments.
There it
Y'all,
is.
so, thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. Yeah, oh, and I almost forgot. I keep forgetting to tell y'all because in the last couple videos, I've been, okay, look.
Oh, fuck. Seriously? Alright, guys. There you guys have it. Hope y'all enjoyed that. That was my reaction to the newest Gettoe Toyz by Dashie number 5. These toys, the baby, okay, yeah, it's alright for what it is. It's alright. The Disco Robo, like, that one so far has been like one of the best toys he's had or shown. But the battery shit is total bullshit. 8 fucking batteries. Oh my god. But yeah. That one, I think that the music has to be like a certain level or like strong enough or loud enough to where the robot can pick up the frequency, I'm guessing, so he can dance. Because when Dashie was using the stereo that it came with, like, it wasn't too loud, so or too strong, so I guess it wasn't picking up the frequencies that good. Because he was still moving, just like, I guess lagging, you can say. And when Dashie stepped in, he was loud as fuck, so he can hear all the vibrations or whatever the fuck. I don't know, I'm not a scientist. So yeah, he could hear the shit or feel the shit. I don't know how you would say that better. So he was able to move better. So I'm assuming you have to be loud as fuck, or the music has to be loud as fuck in order for the toy to move, like, flow better, I guess, with the moves and shit. But yeah, that's just my thought on it. Post your thoughts and comments down below. Like the video if you did, and if you want to see more reactions or previous reactions, hit that subscribe button to see more. Peace.